Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start off by saying thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel and who have given me comments and suggestions on finishing the two walls near my fireplace. I really appreciate the fact that everyone has been helpful to me. And what I've been doing is off camera, I've been trying some of your suggestions. I bought some mirrors with some black trim around it. And I also put up a picture in the middle of the fireplace mantle. And I like those suggestions. They really look nice, but I have just in mind something just a little more aesthetically pleasing, not just to you viewers, but also to my family and friends that come to the house. And I want that wall to just catch their eyes right away. So I am taking your suggestions under consideration. I haven't finalized anything, but in my next video, I will show you what I decided to do. But for today, what I'm going to be doing is decorating and putting some furniture in my entryway. I'm going to decorate my entryway a little bit, and then I'm going to go into my study and just clean and refresh some of the things in my study. And I want to show you how my study and my entryway kind of blends together. So those are the things I'm going to be doing today, and I hope that you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button so you can stay with me when we move on to something else. And also give me a thumbs up because I really appreciate your support. And thank you so much again for all the comments and the suggestions, because it's really been a big help to me. Okay, here we are in my entryway, and I wanted to just show you the empty space before I get started, so that you can see where I'm going to be placing the furniture. On this wall near the stairs is where I'm going to be placing the furniture. You said that we were friends. You swore that you would never break my heart. Here is my cabinet and my mirror. My husband and my son installed the mirror for me. And the mirror is white with gold in it. And I purchased it from Ross. My cabinet is a light gray, and I've been having it for about 3 years. And I can't remember at the moment where I purchased it from. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to clean off my cabinet with a little furniture polish. And then I'm going to clean the glass on my doors with some glass cleaner. And then after I finish cleaning the glass, I'm going to start decorating this cabinet so that you can see what items I decided on for this cabinet. I cleaned my front door with Entryway glass cleaner because I think it really works well on windows and glass doors and tabletops. It's really a good cleaner. And now I'm going to decorate the little countertop of the cabinet. And I'm going to use some of the colors that's already in my study. I'm using the gold and white, and my mirror is gold and white, and my little cabinet is gray. So all of those colors are already existing inside of my study. So I wanted it all to kind of blend in with the study. So you'll see me put colors of gold and white as my accent colors.
You said that we were friends. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were friends.
Now I'm going to clean up the area just a little bit inside the study and the entryway. I'm going to pass just a little damp mop around the area to clean it up a little. And then I want you to see I'm going to put down the rug in the entryway. And that rug is one that I bought from Ross. And it's in gray and white, so I'm going to put it down in the entryway.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were friends. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at.
Okay, I'm in my study giving it a little refresh. I mopped around the perimeter of the rug, and I'm cleaning off the table with a little glass cleaner to get some dust and dirt off the table. I also want you to see I did a second little decorative idea on top of the cabinet in the entryway, and I wanted to see what you thought about it. Give me some feedback on this. If you like this one better than the first one, let me know what your ideas are. but I was a little more partial to the first one, so I decided to put the first one back. And here is the finished product. The Entryway has colors of gold and white, and the rug is gray and white. And those are the colors that are also in my study. So I wanted everything to kind of blend in from the entryway through the study because they're so close together. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and also give me comments and suggestions as you see. Thank you for so much subscribing to my channel. May God bless you. May God keep you until I see you again.
It's so